Welcome back to eFavormart. Today we're showing you how to DIY 3 completely different looks for your reception tables, each with a drastically different budget. We're going from budget-friendly to high-end with stunning centerpieces at around $50, $100, and $250. First up, we have our $50 centerpiece. The base of this centerpiece is going to be a traditional mirror plate. This is a great option because it's extremely inexpensive, and no matter what you put on top of it, it adds some extra depth and drama to it. We've also added these blue vintage embossed bud vases. These are fantastic for winter weddings because they bring in that kind of wintry coolness. So if you're going for a snowy theme, these are wonderful. And then you can't go wrong with artificial flowers. We used artificial roses and baby's breath, and you can easily pluck those apart and just put them in the bud vases and then finish off the centerpieces with a couple of tea light candles. The next centerpiece is our mid-range budget, and this is around $100. The star of the show here is this white Manzanita tree, which is incredibly easy to assemble. All of the branches come separate, but they are exactly the same, so you simply just choose a hole and screw it in, and you really can't go wrong. And then it comes with these really gorgeous crystal beaded tassels that you can hang from any branch that you want. And then I'm taking these Burgundy peonies and plucking them from the bouquet and laying them in sort of like a wreath arrangement and covering up any of the stems with some more flower heads and a couple of the flower leaves. And I'm just gonna finish this look off with a couple of these silver mercury vase candle votives, and these will make the table glow so beautifully in the evening, and this could not be a more perfect winter wedding look. And finally, we've come to our higher end winter wedding centerpiece, and this one is just as easy to put together as the others, and this is gonna run around $240. So here we have a Waterfall crystal beaded table centerpiece. It comes with a base, 2 poles, and the crystal chandelier that's super easy to screw in on top. I'm finishing it off with the easiest part, and that is a pre-arranged artificial rose centerpiece that I'm simply just placing on top of the chandelier, and it's incredibly sturdy. This chandelier looks so much more expensive than it actually is, and you can see by the height of it, it adds so much drama to the table. There you have it, 3 gorgeous DIY winter wedding centerpieces for 3 totally different budgets. Whether you choose the simplicity of the $50 look, the balance of the $100 option, or the drama of the $250 design, eFavormart has everything you need to bring your vision to life. Hit the description box below for a complete shopping list for all 3 designs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more DIY wedding and party inspiration.